Hi, this is Felipe from UserGuiding. Welcome to our guide on how to gamify your user's experience. While countless options are available to make your app's process more engaging and fun, we'll spotlight just a few exciting techniques to transform adoption into an engaging adventure. First up, let's talk about progress bar type of checklists. Picture this: a seamless setup guide divided into steps, accompanied by a dynamic progress bar. The progress bar fills up as users complete each step, like leveling up in a game. It visually represents their journey, motivating them to keep going. And when they reach the finish line, a cheerful well done message awaits, just like completing a challenging level in their favorite game. Next, let's explore achievement messages. Remember those satisfying moments when you earn badges in games? You can incorporate a similar system into your app. When users accomplish significant tasks, like completing an activity, making a referral, or leaving some feedback, they receive virtual badges as a token of achievement. You can also add these to the resource center, and they'll be available for the users after they earn them with a touch of user segmentation. Last but not least, let's talk about Easter eggs. Just like hidden treasure in games, you can hide surprises throughout your app. Users who explore every nook may stumble upon hidden tips, exclusive discounts, or even secret features, adding an element of excitement to their experience. So, level up your user experience and start gamification today. Happy exploring!